What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 67 and today's topic will be very simple, and this is regarding like one of the basic use cases. Actually forgot to cover this topic, so I thought of using this tutorial for this topic. So this is like how to add multiple labels using set keyword. So all of you are already familiar using the uses of set keyword to set some property value or set some label, but we have already seen how to add one single label, but how to add multiple labels, we'll see that. It is going to be very simple, so there is nothing to discuss about this thing from the slide point of view. So let me check first whether I have anything here or not. So turn A, so I have nothing, so let me just create a simple node, create a, and we'll give a name Ronnie. Okay, so one node created. So if I run this thing, we'll get this thing and the property value is name Ronnie. So now we'll try to add one label for this node. So for that, just because we are having only one node, so I'm sure this is going to be like this, and after that we'll put set a, then we'll put, let's say, employee. So if I run this thing, and after that if I run this thing, so what is happened here actually, so we just set this label employee for this node. Now I will try to run this thing to check what is there. So see, if I click here, see the label is employee created. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll try to add another label for this thing. So for that thing you have to just give, so employee and working department, let's say IT. So one label completed, one label added. So if I run this thing, let's run this thing now. See, employee and IT, there are two nodes, two labels. So if I want to add one more, so what I have to do, let's say IT testing. Okay, so one more node created. So if I run this thing, see, employee IT testing, like this. Okay, so this is very simple. Let's say so how to do that, and suppose I want to add multiple nodes together. Okay, so for that thing, suppose within the testing I am the team lead and I'll be working for XYZ project. So for that, let's say I am writing team -lead and I'm working for XY ABC underscore client. Okay, so I can add that as well. Okay, so I believe these things are not allowed here, so that is why the problem. Okay, so it's done. So we'll see now. So there will be total 5 labels. See, testing, team lead, IT, employee, ABC client, everything is here. Okay, so this is how we can add multiple labels. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll try to put this thing here, and the same thing we can achieve from here as well. So for that you need to write Q1, and after that like this, and we can write something else. Let's say location, let's say India, and let's say Bangalore. Okay, and after that we'll run this thing, session.run, and let's say Q1. So if I run this thing, then there will be 2 more like what to say, labels will be added, terminated. So what I'll do, I'll try to run this thing again. Okay, so there will be 3, it will be now 7, it will become 7 now. See, 7, India and Bangalore added. So this is very simple guys. So in this way you can create multiple labels. It will be easier for to understand. For example, you are creating a graph for a company. So at the topmost level, definitely all employees will be the part of employee label, all nodes will be part of employee label. Within the employee label, you can segregate the graph, the nodes with respect to their department. For example, within employee, you can create a separate label for HR and another separate label for finance. So the topmost label is definitely employee, and inside that another label will be HR and finance. So like that way you can design your or model your graph data. So this will be very helpful when you are actually going to build some real world application. So I'm not going to go into that much details as of now, because we are going to develop one application using a Flux framework. Probably once we finish this application, at that time I'll do the complete explanation of each and everything. But meanwhile, if you guys are interested, can go ahead and learn from this thing from Neo4j official documentation. But there also it will be like this, you have to develop or design your own use case to implement this sort of scenarios. So this sort of scenarios or use cases are actually focusing on the basis of real world application. You cannot like use all those things for small use cases like deleting one node or creating one node, and until and unless you are having large number of data and you are not having the requirement of creating full-fledged graph model, then only these things are going to help you to better on the better designing your data. So I hope you guys understand the point. So that's it guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you're enjoying our course. And if you're having some question, doubt, feedback, complaint, suggestion, you can obviously reach me out via YouTube comment box. You can mail me directly. You can subscribe to our page via Facebook, and those are watching our course from the Udemy, I mean all the Udemy students can directly interact with me via the Udemy message or instructor chat box. I'll be always there to help you. So that's it guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and